Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can view private Instagram account. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram and search for a person. So you can see that that person have a private account. So I want to see that account post. So this is the simple process that you need to follow to view profile picture. You simply need to click on that and you can see bigger profile picture, but to see the post you simply need to send him a follow request or her a follow request. So let's suppose you do not want to send her follow request, so you simply need to create a new profile that person not know about. So you simply need to, so let's suppose I created this profile and I'm going to search that person from here. So let me search. I'm making a mistake in the spelling. So okay, and I'm going to send her request from that account. So she's unable or she's unaware of my this account. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.